If you want to take a screenshot on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, but you do not want to use buttons, there are a couple of alternative methods that allow you to capture a screenshot. For example, with 3 fingers, you can swipe from top to the bottom just like that in order to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen, and then you should be able to select the area that you want to capture and save as a screenshot. Of course, we're going to use the save button afterwards in order to save that screenshot. Now, if any of these 2 gestures do not work for you, you want to open settings, scroll down and choose additional settings. Over here, go to gesture shortcuts, and then here we have take a screenshot, which we can enable in here, the 3 fingers slide down the gesture, and for partial screenshot, we have a separate option in here. So of course, in both cases, you want to make sure that the option is enabled if you want to use it. And besides that, you can also use the button that we have in the control center. Over here we have this scissors icon, so we can tap on it in order to hide the control center and capture a screenshot. Going back to settings, and if you reopen additional settings, over here we can go to accessibility, and then we can also enable accessibility menu shortcut. And then once you use it, you should be able to find the screenshot button in here as well, which of course is another method that allows you to capture a screenshot without using physical buttons. Leave a like and subscribe.